Alright, I think we're about done. I've got everything back together. Didn't video any of it. It was pretty simple. This water bottle went back in, put these 10 millimeter sockets back on these and tighten these back up. And again, I don't think that this was necessary to come out. I used my extension and those long needle nose to put that back together. That wasn't tough. And underneath, it went together pretty easily. Just had little different things with sockets and get on my creeper here, sorry. Sockets and combination of sockets get things together. This casting in the starter, I ran this bolt through, put some anti-seize on it just to help the threads before installing it into the car. But everything is tight. Everything is back together, and I think we should start it. I think we should try to start it. I got to put the negative cable back on. All right, while I'm thinking about it, I wanted to say that the nut for that guy was took a 13 millimeter socket to put it back on where we took it off with a 12. This is a 10 millimeter socket. So we're going to get in and try to start it now. Now, before we would push the button, we would have a clicking sound. Eventually, it would start after several tries. Hopefully, we're not going to have that clicking sound. If we are, all this was for naught. Okay, we are in the car. Started right up. Off. Well, that's interesting. I wonder what that is. Huh. Why would it do that? Alright, well, starter's installed. At least you know how to do it. I don't know if it solved our problems, but that was successful. Good luck on your project.